Actually, this one came from the dashcam itself. Para siyang pang sukbit, pang tiritit, pang kalso, pang wire pusher. Hindi namin muna chinek yung dashcam kung gumagana.
Nilagay na natin lahat, di natin inon. Tapos screen mo na rin yun.
Ayun, so wala na tong balikan. Titesting natin ngayon. Pag hindi siya gumana, ayawan na, uwian na tayo. Hello everyone. Actually today dapat dadaan lang si Miguel. May hatid lang siya na parts para sa akin. Kaso nung pagdating niya, the usual kotse ni Miguel, daming little stuff. Naalala namin before, we made a video regarding yung pag-attach ng dashcam. So, kinabit namin yun sa kaibigan namin, hindi sa kotse niya. So, this time, may nakakabit na siyang dashcam ngayon. But the problem is yung wiring niya. Parang medyo mamaya makikita nyo. So, this time, kakabit natin professionally para wala siyang obstruction. And then, mas malinis. And then, at the same time, you'd forget na nandun pala yung dashcam. Okay? Kasi maganda yung pagkatago ng wirings. So anyway, for now, yun yung gagawin natin. Tago lang natin properly yung wirings nung dashcam niya. And then, this is specifically for an EK 1996 to 2000. 1996 to 2000 EK. But this also goes to other vehicles as well. So, let's go. So, ayun nga, the reason ba't natin kinabit yung dashcam in this certain spot is para unobstructed yung view mo dun sa kalsada to where you're going. And then suddenly may wiring na nakasabit na ganito. Tapos at the same time, ang problem naman is ito, natakpan yung defi gauge na bago. So nagdadangle yung wire na ganun. So parang hindi mo mabasa ng maayos yung gauge. Nagdadangling yung wire. Oh, let's so yun yung gagawin natin today. We just tidy up, keep the cable para medyo professional siya tignan, na medyo nakatago, unobstructed view. And yeah, that's it. So ito yung wire. First of all, we have to untangle it muna to know yung, at least malaman natin yung gaano kahaba yung wire natin until saan natin siya pwede itago. And at the same time, hanggang kung abot ba siya din sa dashcam, dun sa power inlet niya, socket. So, yun, untangle muna natin. So, ito siya. Complicated step. Yan na.
Wow, mahirap gawin yan.
Untangled. Tapos, iwan natin siyang ganyan. Yan.
Tapos na.
Tapos na po.
Job done.
Job done. So, hindi tayo magsa-shortcut today. However, for the sake of the video, shortcut natin. We'll be removing yung glove compartment panel para magkaroon tayo ng access doon sa ilalim. Although, this is optional. Very optional. Gusto ko lang siya tanggalin para may access ng konti. So, inalis na namin yung glove compartment. So, this is what you see. Kasi what I'm planning to do is, dito ko siya itatago yung wiring. I have some clips for it. Palitan na rin natin yung mga basag. Basag. Anyway, may natin kakabit. Pero ito yung mga papalit natin. So, ayan. Ito yung basag. We'll be replacing it with this one. Para mas malinis, less alog. So, basically, ang ginagawa lang namin ngayon is to make room para dun sa wiring. So, most likely, dito siya dadaan. And then, I removed, or at least niluwagan ko na yung panel dito para dito dadaan yung wiring. So, tago na siya from here. And then from here, it will be passing down through here. Tapos, pupunta siya dito sa may, yan, yung power source niya dito. Ito na yung harness niya, yung wire. Micro USB. Okay, buhay pa siya. Yes. Hindi pa tayo USB-C lahat. So, anyway, planning to do, pasok ko siya dito. Thinking of hiding the wire here para medyo tago. Ano tingin nyo? Better, no? Kasi yung nakaganyan siya. Parang baduy nito eh. So, I'm thinking I'll hide it here. Tapos papadaanin ko siya dyan. So I think that's a good plan. Okay, good. Sige. Yun na muna. Then, ilalagay ko ng parang ano dito. Parang clips. So, yung wire will be in place. Hindi siya matatanggal. Since I'll be using adhesives, best is to prepare mo yung surface na pagkakabitan mo. So, normally I use isopropyl alcohol. So, yun lang. Spray it sa... Then, punas-punas. Para mawala yung mga oil residues. So, didikit yung adhesive ng maayos. Yeah, that's it. Dumi yun. These are the same clips na ginagamit ko ever since. Ano lang siya? Shopee. So, 3M daw ko, no? Ayan, so, clip lang siya ganyan. So, you put the wire here. And that's it. Clip mo lang siya. Tapos, ano siya? 3M na adhesive. So, didikit siya any surface. Ayun lang. Gawin natin ngayon. So, pine-prepare ko lang siya. Nakabit ko ni isa. Kabit ko rin tong isa. Ayan. This one came from the dashcam itself. Para siyang pang sukbit, pang tiririt, pang kalso, pang wire pusher. So, trivia pala, some newer vehicles, normally meron na siyang ano dito, parang hole dito sa ceiling. Kasi niisip nila na talagang magkakabit ang dashcam talaga yung tao. Kasi for some countries, it's already a mandatory na meron dashcam yung mga sasakyan. It's for added protection after all. However, itong mga 90s na Civic, medyo syempre wala pang dashcam nun eh. So, eto, sisingit lang natin talaga yung wire dito. So, that's what I'm trying to do. Kaso ayaw niya pumasok. So, cry.
Pero may space, no?
Kaya naman, oo. So, papasok ko lang siya continuously. Ayan, pumasok na siya. And then, we'll hide it here. Dito sa, crucial again, yung sa corner. So, we have to tuck it nicely. So, just have to make sure na pasok siya all that time. Yun. So, with this, some vehicles, pwede mo siyang padaanin from here. And then sometimes, meron siyang parang weather strip. You can hide it there. For this certain vehicle, syempre medyo wala. So, what I'll be doing is, I'll just tuck it here. So, we don't have to remove it. And nagtatakin naman siya ng maayos. That's why, crucial tong wire tucker, pusher. So, malinis na siya dito. So, nandito na yung wire sa kabilang side. So, ganun lang din. What I'll be doing is I'll just tuck it here. Wala, nasigo. Sorry, Miguel. Joke lang. Yan. So, there you go. Okay, so, tinanggal ko na to. Wala na siyang screw. So, what I'll be doing is I'll be pushing this in here. Some options, some other cars, pwede mo siyang itago dito. Like this. Or pwede rin to. So, depende siya talaga sa vehicle mo. Sometimes, other vehicles, parang nandito na yung weather strip niya eh. Tapos, pwede mo itago doon sa likod. For the certain vehicle, yung weather strip niya is nandito sa door. Isa lang siya. So, yun. So, pwede ko rin siya pala padaanin dito. Just have to pry this a little bit. So, andito na yung from the wire, natak ko na siya from here to here. So, it's here now. Nandito na ako sa dulo niya. So, what I'll be doing, attach ko na to dito. And then, yung excess na slack is tatago ko siya dito. Something like this. Okay? So, ito, matatago ko pa rin siya from here. Ito, tago na siya from here. And then, dito ko siya itatay. And, so, with this one,
zip tie.
zip tie ko siya. So more or less andyan na siya. Okay, so just add additional ano na lang, additional ties just to ano para mas secure yung wire. Ito yung wire kanina. Is here. Yan, secured. So yung final step natin, palitan natin ng clip.
Wala kasi siyang clip guys dati.
No vibration. Firm. Solid. So yung way of attachment natin is actually completely reversible. In case kasi magpapalit ng dashcam, mag-upgrade, or nasira, since China, completely reversible siya. Either you can replace the whole thing, hugutin mo lang talaga yung wire ulit. You can remove all the fasteners, the clips. Ito, these are nylon clips lang siya. So pwede mo siyang cutter mo lang, tanggal na yan. 100% completely reversible. But at the same time, the way we attach this is very very secured siya. Na hindi siya magdadangle, hindi siya matatanggal with vibration, with heat, with use. Ayun, very secured position. Almost pwede na yun siyang permanent if it's good. Kailangan lang namin ibalik ulit yung glove compartment box, and then we're done. Ayun, so patapos namin kabit yung dashcam, yung wiring na-tuck na namin. So na wire tuck na siya. Pero may catch. Hindi namin muna chinek yung dashcam kung gumagana.
Nilagay na natin lahat, di natin inon. Tapos screen mo na rin yun.
Ayun, so wala na tong balikan. Testing natin ngayon. Pag hindi siya gumana, ayaw na, uwian na tayo. Pag gumana, well and good.
Okay lang, hindi ko na kailangan ng dashcam.
Hindi na mabangga eh.
Pala yung susi.
Tapos yun, nawawala pa pala yung susi. So yun yata yung next episode. Nawawala yung susi, hahanapin.
A few moments later.
Okay, so episode complete. Ito na yung susi.
Ay, hindi na natin kailangan mag-shoot ng isa pang episode. Okay.
Alright, moment of truth.
Test na natin guys. Di kasi natin tinest. Nakatak na lahat. Let's go. Important lang naman is umilaw to eh. Dapat umilaw to.
Hopefully.
Okay, let's go.
Sumilaw siya.
Okay, nice.
Yes!
Success!
Success!
Success. Yun. Okay.
Yes.
Okay, good.
Good. Alright.
Makatulog na tayo.
So yun, pagod na kami. Yun lang. That's it for today. So, ano yun to? Parang it's kumbaga, you can do it any other way you want to. Ito lang for me, this is yung parang best practice. It's always to hide the cables para walang sabit, walang kahit ano. And then, malinis siya, no obstruction. It's basically up to you how you wanna do it. Pero, ayan, we're done.